Alright guys, welcome back to another video. This video right here, we're gonna be doing some body work. I'm gonna be working on the quarter panel, on the rear, the front fender, and maybe installing the trunk with the STI wing. Let's see how far I get. It's raining outside, it's bad. I know I was gonna start working on the engine since I already got it, but I got lazy. I had to do some family stuff yesterday, so I didn't get a chance to work on the engine. And right now I'm just excited to work on the body. Let me show you what I got. Okay, so the engine is sitting right here still on the engine hoist. We got both fenders here. I'm finally gonna cut this out. I wanna see how it looks. I definitely wanna cut it, guys. I wanna cut it because it doesn't look, for some reason to me, it only looks like a wide body fender. It doesn't look like a rally fender. So call me crazy, but that's what I'm doing. We're gonna be replacing the side skirts for the STI ones that I got. I already got this cut out, marked. You can see right here, this line that I did, where the body panel is gonna sit. I'm gonna be grinding this off so I can glue it, and then I'm gonna be cutting this right here too. This line. I think I'm gonna have to go flush with this right here. See what happens. I think the higher the better, because call me crazy again, but I also want to cut this section up at least 3/4 of an inch higher. Make the arch look a little bit higher. I don't know if you can see, but this line right here is lower than this one. Just only like half an inch or so. Maybe on the camera you can't really see it, but when I light up my eyes, this line right here is higher, which means this one's lower. So I gotta cut it at least as high as that, or go a little bit higher. We'll see what happens. I need to sell this roof rack. I need to sell it and then start working on the roof scoop too. So let's remove the side skirt. I'm not gonna put it permanently, just temporary, just to see how it looks. But I want to do some cutting, do some body work, do some stuff. That's what the side skirt is gonna look like. I would like to add something on the back. Like I was saying, I would like to add something in the back because it seems like the front is perfect. It's wide, it's wider, looks fat, beefy, but the back looks kind of skinny. So I'm gonna have to just add something from here to there, maybe extend it somehow. Yeah, I'm gonna end up putting something here, from here to here, at least a ½ inch thicker. I'm gonna come up with something, you'll see. But yeah, the front, I like it. I like the front. I don't want to put them on yet because I want to sand them down, prime them, and put it back on. thinking that I needed to cut the fender liner, but it seems like I already done it before. It's been cut already, so we'll see once I cut the fender. We'll see how it looks. Alright guys, I got them all marked up. I'm gonna try to cut it with the grinder. See if it works, and if it doesn't work, I'm gonna have to wait and get that little wheel for this thing that I got here. This is what I was gonna use, but I don't want to go to Home Depot and get something. It's raining. I hate when it's raining and I gotta do stuff, but so I did it, guys. Man, what a clean cut. Hopefully it looks good. Now this piece right here, I know this was the lip on the inside. It helps for support. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use fiberglass to put it on the inside. Now it's gonna be like this. Now it's gonna be like this on the inside. It's gonna reinforce the fender. So it's still gonna have that look, but higher. So yeah, let me put it right here on the car. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what I wanted. Once I get the bumper, the front bumper that I'm waiting on, I'm gonna adjust whatever I gotta adjust right here because I want it perfect. Even if I have to cut the bumper, I want this line perfect. So this is gonna be it for now on this. But I want, once the car is lower, I'm gonna be able to tell exactly what's going on there. But man, yes. But I have to cut it here more to make this line because I noticed it doesn't flow perfect, and I want it perfect. Right now it's good enough, but not good enough for me. Let's cut the other one. Finish. You know what? Since I already got it here, I'm gonna do the holes. I need to do the holes on this fender. I haven't done the holes. All right, guys. Just did the holes. Just did the holes on all top and the sides. I'm gonna wait on these holes right here for when I get the bumper. Alright guys, that's the idea right there. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see the line right there. You see the line, the blue line, that's where I gotta cut right now. But first, I'm gonna cut the metal. I'm gonna cut the car first. And then I'll cut this and see what it looks like. So I think that'll do it, guys. That's more than enough, I think, for me. I will fix this once I remove the wheel off. Once I take the bumper off, I can fix this section here, fix this right here, fill it up with whatever they use for the outdoors, so it won't get some water in between the panel, so it won't rust. I'll get that fixed later, but I think that's more than enough because the car is really low right now. I'm gonna end up raising it just a little bit and make sure that it doesn't rub here with the tires, with those tires. But I've seen guys where they cut a lot higher because they're gonna put wider wheels and they're gonna slam the cars and the fenders and all that. This is good for me. I just gotta fix this right here and make sure that this right here is not sharp as it is right now. It's really sharp. But once I get the car running, I guess, because I gotta remove this wheel in order to do everything right. But for now, let's test the pieces and see if it'll sit better. Alright guys, I am not gonna put these pieces on yet. Oh, I still gotta grind that. I'm gonna do that right now. I'm not gonna cut this yet because I found out inside here is hollow. And if I thought this was all solid piece inside here, but it's kind of hollow. So what I'm gonna do is go to Home Depot or AutoZone, whatever, auto part, and buy some fiberglass resin and just pour it all the way inside here. Once that's dry, then I'm gonna be able to cut this right here on both sides. So that's why I'm not gonna put it on or do anything right now with it. Maybe I should sand it, but that's why I'm not cutting it today. Alright guys, I'm gonna end this video here for the stuff that I've done to it today. I gotta do the same thing on the other side once the car is running, so I can pull it out. It's too close to the wall. I was working on this off camera on the camera pot. I cut the hole, put a little glass film in there, and then sanded it, painted it, covered this up right here. I mean, just sanded it and primed it. I gotta paint this gray. I'm gonna paint this gray and I'm gonna leave this black. I still gotta attach an antenna here for the camera, but this is what it's gonna look like. Camera. Still gotta do a little more work to it, but I was working on this behind camera. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoy it. Please like, subscribe to see more videos on the rally build. All right, peace.